Hello again and welcome to Ndudu by Fafa. Hello gorgeous folks, thank you again for tuning in for another experience with Fafa. Now today's main ingredient, we're going to be talking about turmeric. Yes, turmeric contains something called curcumin, which helps you fight any, bad inflammation. May I say chronic inflammation? Yes. I mean, everybody needs some sense or level of inflammation in their body to fight pathogens like bacteria and stuff like that. However, when you end up with a chronic inflammation, that's when you have a problem. But when you do have curcumin, yes, it prevents that from happening. Now, natural bodies cannot absorb curcumin in its form. So one needs to add black peppercorns. And that has something called PIPERINE, and that would allow the curcumin to absorb into our body. Now, if you have a pre-existing condition or you're on medication, please seek medical advice before you try any of these recipes. And also with turmeric, if you actually use it too much, it might cause internal bleeding. So this is something that I do once or twice a week. So here I've got my pineapple, black peppercorns, fresh turmeric. You can use dried turmeric. Use a teaspoonful, that's great. And my orange juice, and I've blended that mixture together. Unfortunately, I could see there was a splash in the background, but I got rid of that. And here I've got my golden goodness. Look at that. So you can have a shot of this, and that just helps boost your immune system. Now, if this is your first time, you're welcome. Thank you very much for tuning in. And please do not forget to click the subscribe button and the notification button so each time I upload a video, you're notified of it. Also, to my loyal subscribers, thank you so much. Now, please do share these recipes with your family and friends so that we all have a fighting chance of, boosting our immune system to fight this. You can bottle this golden goodness in the fridge for up to 7 days. Absolutely. Naturally, I'll leave the list of ingredients and measurements on my blog, ndudubyfafa.blogspot.com, so do check it out. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, so do pass by and say hi. Noel, thank you very much for my theme song, and I hope you're taking very good care of yourself. Now, until next time, my kings and queens, do take care of you. This is so important. Don't forget to wash your hands and follow the preventative measures and equally boosting your immune system. And until my next step with you, me love you for you. Toodles.